Hi besties, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be making this simple delicious fried rice. Oh yeah, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. It means a lot to us. Thank you so much, family. In our pot I'm going to be adding some cooking oil. I'll add some bay leaf for some aroma and flavor. Next, you add in your washed rice. I washed my rice till the water looks clean, and I drained the rice after washing, so the rice is looking dry, yet I washed it. So I'm just going to stir this and fry it for about 10 minutes. This process makes the fried rice last longer and it gives it this fried rice texture. I mean, why won't you fry the rice when it's called fried rice? At this point, I'm going to be adding in our chicken stock. You can use water, but I love to use stock to give the fried rice extra flavor. So you can use beef stock, fish stock, chicken stock, whatever stock you have. So that is done. Our rice is ready. So I'm just going to be sauteing our onions. I'm going to be sauteing our garlic paste and ginger paste. I'm going to be adding some curry to it and our pepper mix. I'm going to fry this for a couple of times till the water in the pepper mix dry up, and I'm just going to add my vegetables. Besties, you see that this recipe is very easy. If you recreate it, please tag me on my social media platform. Like, I get encouraged to do more videos for you, or when I see your recreation. So I'm just going to add a seasoning cube and salt to taste. I'm going to pour that into the cooked rice, and I'm just going to stir this for a couple of times. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be the first person to get an alert when I upload a new video. So besties, I added my spring onions to the rice this time because the spring onions has this soft texture, and if I fry it with the rest of the veggies, it's going to look very soft, and I don't want that. So I'm just going to add some fried plantain because yes, I'm a plantain freak. I love plantain. I'm just going to simmer this for some time, for about 2 to 3 minutes, and that's all. I am still Chef Tammy. Until next time, bye.